seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Welcome to New York's LaGuardia Airport. The local time is 5:05. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we are parked at the gate. We're still moving, so it's important that you stay seated. Keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. In an effort to create more space between customers on board the aircraft, we will deplane a few rows at a time, starting from the front of the aircraft to the back. We ask everyone to remain seated until the row in front of you has cleared to prevent crowding in the aisles. Take a moment right now to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. To help keep our cabin clean, please take any remaining waste items with you. Place them in the trash bin as you exit the aircraft or inside the terminal. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone. On behalf of American Airlines and all our customers in our One World Alliance, thank you for choosing us today. We hope you have a pleasant evening, safe travels. We hope to see you again soon.